In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CloudSync for signed documents. This will help you keep all your important files safe, organized, and accessible, no matter where you are. If you've ever struggled with trying to find that signed contract, this guide is for you. Stick around until the end, because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, which will make this process even easier. Alright, let's dive in. First, CloudSync lets you store your signed documents securely in the cloud and sync them across all your devices. So whether you're using a computer, phone, or tablet, you'll always have access to your files. The first step is to sign up for the software we're using today. Don't worry, I've included a link to a free trial below for you, exclusively for my channel viewers. Once you've signed up, it's time to upload your signed documents. Open the software and locate the upload button. You can either drag and drop the files directly into the software or use the built-in File Explorer to select the documents you want to sync. This is where the magic starts. CloudSync will upload your documents to the cloud, keeping them safe and accessible from anywhere. After uploading, you'll need to set up your sync preferences. With most cloud services, you can decide whether to sync all files or just select folders. If you're working with a lot of signed documents, I recommend creating a specific folder like Signed Contracts or Important Documents so you can find everything quickly. The next thing you'll want to do is make sure you've enabled autosync on your devices. This way, every time you update or add a new signed document, it will automatically sync across all your devices. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're working from different places. If you're collaborating with others, CloudSync can also help. You can share files or folders with specific people so they have access to signed documents when they need them. All changes will be updated in real time and everyone will have the most recent version. Now, if you're worried about security, most cloud software offers strong encryption, so your signed documents will be protected. I recommend enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. This ensures that only you and people you trust can access your sensitive files. A quick tip here. If you're on the go a lot, you can set up the cloud software on your mobile devices. It's especially useful when you need to access signed documents quickly, even when you're not near your computer. So to recap, here are the main steps to using CloudSync for signed documents. 1. Sign up for the software and get that free trial below. 2. Upload your signed documents and create a folder to organize them. 3. Set up sync preferences for automatic updates across all devices. 4. Share documents if needed for collaboration. 5. Enable encryption and two-factor authentication for security. Before we close off, I recommend that you take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier. You'll get to follow along with everything I just showed you, and it's an excellent way to start syncing your signed documents across all your devices. The key takeaway here is that using CloudSync for signed documents is a game changer for keeping your files secure, organized, and easily accessible no matter where you are. If you follow the steps I just showed you, you'll be able to manage your signed documents more efficiently than ever before. Don't forget to grab that free trial in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.